right? I've not really had the motivation to do anything while Mel's been waiting for her results. But now that I know she's okay, at least for now, we just thought we'd come round the local roads and just have a look and see what was actually near us. And it's just fantastic. I mean, if you look round here, we've come on the motorbike, by the way. If you look round here, you'll see that's the mountain that we see from our subdivision. And these cornfields and rice fields and coconut trees and banana trees, I just love it. I really love this place. Now this road here, it was a double track, then it went onto a dirt track, then it's come onto a single track, and all the way along this road is little farms and people that's just, you know, trying to make a meagre living, you know, with the little sari stores and stuff. You know, how they make any money is just beyond me, bless them, you know. Because like I've said before, and I mean it, I'm not just saying it, the Philippine people, you know, especially the poor, work really, really hard to just survive. And my hat off to them, you know, just full respect. Because people in the West wouldn't work as hard as they do for as little as they get. And yeah, I guess they have no choice, but that's besides the point, isn't it? They still do work hard.
Buka na? Brown ang kulay. Brown ang kulay, ang dahon. Araw ka ni.
So, we've just come out for a little ride and we're thinking about going for a little bit of something to eat later. So, I'm thinking of going back to Gerry's because I had that, I'll call it shepherd's pie. It's not shepherd's pie, but my God, it's the first food I've had in the Philippines where it like, I really loved it. So we're going to go back there and have a bit of something to eat. Just had to stop here because this is about the third one we've seen, isn't it, babe? This is the third rice field we've seen. Now this doesn't happen on the main road, but as you can see, the rice field's dry, very dry. Now normally they're flooded for the rice to take hold and grow, so they obviously can't get enough water. The views are spectacular. I love it. You see, you come to Naga. Now, you get anywhere outside of Naga, it doesn't matter which road you decide you're going to leave Naga. But on the outskirts of Naga and onwards, it's all this. It's all rice fields, coconut trees, banana trees, cornfields, you know, with these little properties. I think these are brilliant. You know, just dotted all over the place. It's so relaxing. I'm so lucky to be here. I really am. I appreciate every day. So here we are again at Gerry's Grill. It's just off Magsaysay Sai, and there's a sushi there's a sushi place there, which I think I'll try out at some point because I really like it. Big's Diner, that's in SM. I highly recommend Big's Diner. They do a big burger. It's massive, it's really hard to eat, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I really recommend the Big's Diner in SM. Whatever. So we've got a Spanish Filipino place here as well. Spanish cuisine, I guess. But anyway, we're going to go into Gerry's for our lunch, because when we came here with Betty, as you remember on our last video, the food was absolutely spot on. We really enjoyed it. So we're going to go again, aren't we, babe? Get something to eat. Yeah. So see you in a mo. I think you know already what I'm going to get. Hi. And it's a lot busier today, mind you, it is a weekend. Wow, look at this. That's my lupia. What's that you've got, baby?
Pork sisig.
Sisig.
Yes.
Pork sisig. The rice, that rice is beautiful. And there's my beef casserole. What I was calling shepherd's pie. What's that you're putting on? Lemon?
Mind your business.
Mind my business? Okay. You're so rude. Oh. Anyway, guys, we're going to get stuck in now, because the lupia is going to go first. So, see you later. So, what did you reckon to the food, baby?
Yeah, it's nice.
Very nice?
Except the one, I think it's very salty.
Very salty. You're so choosy. So mine was beautiful. It's all gone. But she's going to take that home in a bag and have it later, because there was quite a bit of food actually, and there's a bit of rice left, so we're going to take that home. In the Philippines it's quite acceptable to do that, but obviously in the West it's not.
Yeah?
No, it's not acceptable. So Gerry's Grill, it's on the corner of Magsaysay in Naga, and it's well worth a visit. So it's got my thumbs up, and for the trolls, I ain't getting nothing for this, okay? Bye.